Aww, that you look cute. What are you doing, Crimson and Clover? Here you come, baby Sage. She's like, what are you doing, sister? Oh, good. You get you some water? Are you barking at me? Are you barking at me, my Sagey boy? You ready for some food? We got some roasted potatoes and carrots. That sound good? Put the water over here. You love the snow, don't you? Yeah, you love the snow, don't you? Are you dancing? Good. Let y'all go see our rabbits outside. Lander and Snowflake. There they are, my cutie boy. See that one right there? This one right here. Let me get it back for you guys. That's Snowflake. And this one is my Lander. He's a lionhead rabbit. And he is half lionhead, half regular. He's so flippin' cute now, ain't he? He's so cute. Whew. I'll let you watch the ducks while I feed her. Where's this thing from? Okay, guys. Yeah, silkies. They're really mad at me right now. If you can even hear me. We have them locked up in the chicken coop because they want to run around and it's really cold and all the snow's everywhere. You wouldn't be able to see but their heads if they came out here. So that one with the white and black, he was trying to flog me and everything else because I won't let him out. 2 roosters, that black one and white one right there, and then the rest of them are hens. A lavender, a white one, and these are my ducky babies. What are you doing, duck babies? These are 2 girls. They were with the boy ducks, but she like totally tried to tear her eyeball out. So I'm moving them over here for right now. She's healed up and everything now, so that's good. You all got 2 little houses to go into. Why are you all just standing out in the cold? I guess you ducks like it. Well, eat your feet, okay, guys? Have a happy duck day. Look at all this snow. It is a mess. Like, look at my footprint. There's about 6-7 inches here. It's crazy out here. What you doing, Dusky baby? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing, my cutie pie? I'm coming in there. Come on. Let's get your bowl. Those are all too good. These are some extra. Yeah, I like to clean. Well, I'm sure people want to watch you poop on camera. You goofball. You're a goofy boys. You're a goofy boys. You are. Well, you all get in your buildings, okay? That's yours, but he's the smart one. He's the smart one. I'll come give you all some hay in a little bit, okay? Does that sound good? Y'all want a little bit of hay? Alright, so I'll go get you some. It's so cold, okay? Get back and I'll go get you some hay. See, I'm gonna go get them some other stuff and then I'll bring back some hay, okay? I gotta go get these bowls. Sunflower, where are you at? Oh, there you are. That cat loves the snow, man. And it's hard to get up the hill. But that freaking... I'll get your nose, and then I'll get you some hay. Does that sound good? Was you playing with the goats or anything? I know, it's deep, ain't it? Yeah, it's deep, ain't it, Bubba? Do what?
You already dumped this out?
No, I have not dumped it out.
Oh, god dang.
Oh, they're wet?
Yeah.
It might have busted open itself. I don't know. Some of them work out of busted open.